If you're looking for a wheelchair that's comfortable, reliable, and easy to use every single day, you might want to see this first. Because not all wheelchairs are built the same. Some are too heavy, others feel uncomfortable after just a short time, and many are simply not practical for everyday use. So the real question is, can one wheelchair actually balance comfort, durability, and convenience? That's where the Medline Comfortable Folding Wheelchair comes in. Now at first glance, it looks like a standard wheelchair. But once you take a closer look, you start to notice the difference. Let's start with comfort, because that's where most wheelchairs fall short. This one features a wide, supportive seat with breathable upholstery designed for longer sitting periods, which means less discomfort and more ease throughout the day. And if you've ever used a chair that feels stiff or cramped, you know how big of a difference that makes. But comfort alone isn't enough, because if it's not practical, you won't enjoy using it. So here's what matters next: mobility. The Medline wheelchair is designed to be lightweight yet durable. That means it's easier to push, easier to maneuver, and easier to transport. And speaking of transport, it folds quickly and easily. No complicated steps, no struggle. Just fold it down, and it fits into most car trunks. Perfect for travel, appointments, or daily use. But here's something people often overlook: safety. This chair includes secure handbrakes and stable wheels that help keep movement controlled. So whether you're indoors or outdoors, you feel more confident using it. And then there's adjustability, because one size doesn't fit everyone. With swing-away footrests and a design that adapts to different needs, it becomes much easier to get in and out comfortably. Now here's what users often say after trying it. They feel more independent, more comfortable, and more confident moving around. And that's what really matters. Because a wheelchair isn't just equipment, it's part of your daily life. So it needs to work with you, not against you. Now, is it perfect for everyone? Not necessarily. But if you're looking for something that balances comfort, portability, and ease of use, this is definitely one worth considering. So here's the question: what would change if moving around felt easier, more comfortable, and less stressful? Because sometimes the right equipment makes all the difference. If you want to learn more about this wheelchair, check the link in the description. And if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest review.